Hi, good morning and welcome to sunny, super sunny Lakeland, Florida on a beautiful October morning. Before you in the sunshine, we see the Lakeland Concours. Concours? Is it Concours? It's going to be a great day. Sean over at Average Car Guy Reviews has arranged for us to have media passes, so that's kind of cool. I think we're going to be helping out with some of the videography at the rally tomorrow, so they gave us free coffee in exchange for that, which is nice. Are you a Cobra kind of person? Man, look at this. Yeah, today's all about the cars, but I just want to point out that downtown Lakeland, Florida is just a very walkable kind of city anytime. I mean, you can't walk right down the street anytime, mind you. On a normal day, you'd want to be on the sidewalk. But there's lots of shops and restaurants. But I'm kind of a destination review guy, so I'd be remiss if I didn't point out just how walkable downtown Lakeland is. Historic in its own Americana kind of way. Very cool.
One of our features here, in addition to automobile motorcycle.
It's a terrific auto show. They have everything. This is going to feel not much like a travel channel today. Yeah, it's a car show. It's a truck show. It's a floating car. It's a boat show. Okay, I'll allow it. Wish I could get a little closer to that, but these are neat cars, boats, boat cars, Amphicars. Somebody said they're called Amphicars. So this would be a lovely day on the lake, even without all of this, but it certainly makes it that much nicer. We're going to use every spare bit of parking lot. Oh yeah. Can't have a car show. You gotta have the Corvettes. You gotta have the Mustangs too. Look at that. Oh, look, seaweed.
A little grassy.
Sunday morning here in Lakeland, Florida, and I came back down to Lake Mirror, and I just wanted to see the difference between what it looked like with all the cars and the big car show happening over the weekend and a normal, calm, peaceful weekend morning at it's not small town America, it's a pretty good sized city these days, but this is a neat little area.